Low-carb, keto-friendly Salisbury steak with mushroom gravy. Savory and delicious, only 3 grams of carbs per serving. In a large bowl, combine a pound each of ground chuck and ground pork. Add in a half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 2 sprigs of chopped parsley. 2 eggs, a half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and half a yellow onion chopped. Form the meat into 8 oval-shaped patties. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the skillet. Cook the patties on medium-high heat for 5 minutes per side. Place the patties in the oven to stay warm. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of chopped onions, 6 ounces of sliced mushrooms, and saute for 10 minutes. Add in 2 cups of beef broth, a half a cup of sour cream, and a teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken the gravy. Add the steak patties back into the pan of gravy and you're ready to serve. To see the full recipe on how it's made, visit thekitchenofchefmark.com or tune in to our new cooking channel, The Kitchen of Chef Mark on Roku TV. Salisbury steak with mushroom gravy. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.